Welcome back to Papa Junk Shop. Well, I finally got my Junpaw inverter mounted in the camper. It's got it mounted on the bottom side of the bed in the storage compartment. And I'm feeding it with two DC house 165 ampere hour 12 volt batteries in parallel. So we got what, 330 ampere hour, something like that. So what I had in there previously is this one, which was always good, but it did have problems starting my microwave sometimes. So I'll show you inside. I mounted the panel right here. I just got that held on with some Velcro here in the corner. And how I have my system set up, you could see there was an extension cord, more or less, in there. And I have it run over here to where my electrical panel is. And I have a relay. And I switch over all the outlets, the microwave, and that stuff. I do not have the hot water tank, electrical part, or the air conditioner, because we're not going to run it on battery. So, and what would happen is when I start the microwave, the relay, apparently the voltage would drop enough, the relay would drop out and cause the microwave not to start. But this one has no problem. You can see it starts right up. And what's nice, the other one I couldn't tell how much we were using. So with this screen, you know, I can watch it. So now I'll know that when we got the coffee pot or something on there, I keep it around 2,000 watts probably, just because the cord going from the inverter. And I've got a 200 amp fuse on the battery, so you know I got to keep it from blowing that. So just thought I'd bring you guys up to speed. We haven't gone anywhere with it yet. If I run into any snags, I'll let you know. As usual, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.